Eating certain foods nourishes the system of the same color. The rainbow diet's goal is to cover your plate with fruits and vegetables in a variety of colors. It's a way to ensure that you're getting enough vitamins and nutrients into your daily diet. To follow this diet, you should eat plant-based foods in a wide array of colors. In this video, we are going to talk about health benefits of eating colorful foods. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. So let's start the video. Red. Fruits and vegetables rich in red color contain the antioxidants lycopene and ellagic acid. Antioxidants help protect your body cells from the free radicals that play a role in the development of heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. Try red foods like red apples, red bell peppers, cherries, pomegranates, tomatoes, and strawberries are just a handful of the foods you can eat to get these disease-fighting benefits. Orange. We all need vitamin C. Orange-colored fruit is packed with it, as well as carotenoids, including beta-carotene. Your body converts beta-carotene into vitamin A, which promotes healthy vision. Orange is also the color of many citrus fruits, which can help increase your blood flow and reduce your risk of having a stroke. And don't forget to indulge in pumpkin or carrots. You can find these benefits in peaches, cantaloupe, and oranges too. This essential vitamins help support immune function, eye health, strong joints and bones, and decreases risk of various cancers and heart disease. Yellow. Eating the yellow part of the fruit and vegetable rainbow gives you many of the same benefits as eating foods that fall under the orange layer, vitamin C and carotenoids. Brighten up your plate with some sweet corn, yellow bell peppers, pineapple, or lemons. Green. Green vegetables such as spinach, kale, broccoli, and cabbage are full of chlorophyll, an antioxidant with a host of different health benefits. Green veggies help to maintain vision health, strong bones, and teeth. Dark green, leafy vegetables have the highest concentration of antioxidants and fiber. Blue, deep red, and purple. Blue, deep red, and purple fruits and vegetables draw their color from anthocyanin, an antioxidant. The anti-inflammatory properties of anthocyanin may be beneficial for lowering risk for cancer and heart disease, while also lessening the painful effects of arthritis. Blue and purple food to eat include blackberries, blueberries, eggplant, plums, purple cabbage, and radishes. White. While these foods are not as bright as the other colors, they still contain helpful nutrients. Cauliflower is a cruciferous vegetable, rich in a healthy compound called sulforaphane. Garlic and onions are in the allium family of vegetables, and contain the powerful compounds allicin and quercetin that help to reduce the risks of cancer and have anti-inflammatory properties. And selenium found in mushrooms plays a key role in supporting the immune system. So that's for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to receive future updates.